Diagnostic trouble codes P0335 and P0340. Cam sensor and a crank sensor codes. Usually it's an issue with timing belt. I'll show you what I figured out here on this one. Got timing belt off and tensioner here. When I first took it apart, there was a lot of slack in the belt. This tensioner right here was all the way down. I took a screwdriver, popped it up like that. It was holding its tension. Came back the next day and it was back down again. So bad tensioner was causing slack in the belt and triggering the codes, and it was having a stalling issue. It would run perfect sometimes, and all of a sudden it would stall out of nowhere. So we were probably the two sensors out of whack, and it was probably killing the injection pulse and stalling from the crank sensor. So anyway, if you have those two codes, more than likely it's something in the timing. So maybe this will be your issue as well. The codes were P0335 and P0340. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.